If you want to save OneNote to OneDrive, this video will walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it. The best part is that OneNote can save your notebook to OneDrive automatically, so once you create it, your notes stay synced in the cloud and you can access them from anywhere. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneNote Online in your browser. You can use the web version if you want the quickest setup, and this is usually the easiest way to make sure your notebook is connected to OneDrive right from the start. Once the page loads, sign in using your Microsoft account. Make sure you use the account that you want linked to your OneNote notebook, because that's the account where your files will be stored and synced. After you sign in, the next step is to create a new notebook. This is where OneNote begins the saving process automatically. As soon as the notebook is created, OneNote stores it in OneDrive in the background without you needing to manually upload anything. That means you don't have to drag and drop files or worry about saving your notebook in the wrong place. OneNote handles that for you. Now, if you want to double check that your notebook is actually in OneDrive, open Microsoft OneDrive in another tab or window. Sign in with the same Microsoft account if prompted. Once you're inside OneDrive, go to My Files, then open Documents. This is the folder where your OneNote notebook should appear automatically. In most cases, you'll see it there as soon as the notebook is created because OneNote syncs it directly to OneDrive. This is an important detail. When you create a notebook in OneNote Online, it is not just saved locally on your computer. It's stored online in OneDrive, which means your notes are backed up, synced, and available across devices. So if you open OneNote on another laptop, tablet, or phone, your notebook should still be there as long as you're signed into the same Microsoft account. If you don't see the notebook right away, give it a few moments to sync. Sometimes cloud syncing can take a short time, especially if your connection is slow or if the notebook was just created. Refreshing OneDrive can also help update the view, but in most cases, you should see the notebook appear automatically without needing to do anything extra, and that's really all there is to it. Open OneNote online, sign in, create a new notebook, and OneNote will save it to OneDrive for you automatically. Then you can confirm it inside OneDrive under My Files and Documents. It's a simple process, but it's a really useful one if you want your notes safely backed up and easy to access anywhere. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.